Hi guys! Welcome back to BBU. I'm Tasha.
And I'm Abby.
In today's episode, we'll be doing something super exciting, and that is unboxing our Taobao haul.
So it's actually my first time ordering from Taobao, and as my Chinese is not very good, I had some difficulties, but thankfully with a help from a friend, I managed to order this smoothly and it came in a week.
Without further ado, let's get to it.
Yay!
We'll be opening this package first. Okay, so we're done unpacking our first package, and these are some of our favorite picks. So first up, I got this off-shoulder crochet top. This one I got for $6, and I really love the button details in the middle. It's pretty well done, right?
Yeah, the material is not bad though.
Yeah. Okay, next, I have this ruffled puffy sleeve crop top. Oh, it's damn cooling.
Yeah, very airy.
Okay, lastly, I got sweatpants in 3 different colors because it's so comfy and easy to match with.
You can wear it to dance. Looks very stretchable and
Yeah, and airy. These ones were only $7.30, so totaling up to $22. So Abby, what did you get?
I got this one shoulder strap top in white, black and army green, and it's
Wow.
only $13 for 3. That is like $4.30 for one.
That's a
Quick math.
steal.
And the material is so thin. It's really airy. And the next top I got is this blue ribbon spaghetti strap top. It doesn't really look that nice now, I think cause it's crumpled. But the model looked really good in it. And for the third item, I got this lime green high-waisted leather skirt. Touch the material. Not bad, right?
Yeah, it's pretty
Not
good.
rough. And there's even a safety shorts in it. Yeah, and it can match with like so many tube tops and crop tops. Can even be matched with this. And I got it for $10 only. And for the next item, I got this Daisy transparent bag. I got it for like $12, but I'm not sure how to open it. Okay, wait. Technical difficulties. Okay, so we finally figured out how to open this bag. This bag is really small actually, but it can fit my phone and my cards, and it's perfect for a picnic date. On to our next package!
Okay, so we're done unpacking our second package, and these are our favorite picks. Got this dress for $15, and I decided to get 2 colors, red and white. This is a strapless bodycon ruffle dress.
Sexy. This is not the body, you know, like
Yeah.
your shape, the hourglass shape.
And also it's a tie-on strap, so you can adjust. Next is this green wrap over floral dress. So for this, you actually have to self-tie it. This one was for $9. My last favorite pick is this black chain bodycon dress for only $8. Perfect for a night out. Yeah, I also not
How do you
very
put the
sure how
chain?
to do the
Can
chain.
you hold this?
Okay, this is one strap, this one side.
Oh, the other side is a chain.
And then
Or maybe you put it around your body.
yeah,
Like
yeah,
a,
maybe.
Like a sash. Like
yeah,
this.
like a sash.
Nice.
We figured it out, Yep. Okay, that's all for me. Let's move on to Abby.
So I got this glossy blue turquoise skirt. It's like shiny. Can wear it go clubbing. And I got it for $8. So for the next item, I got this bareback top. Can match it with this, then go clubbing, you know. For the next item, I got this green off-shoulder top.
That's cute.
Yeah, it's only $5. For the last item, I got this black ruffled off-shoulder mermaid dress. I got it for $11 only.
Wow, the material is nice.
Yeah, soft and silky, right? Okay, on to our last package. So for the last package, we got these 2 bags at $8 each. My bag is a white pearl handle bag. Inside is really spacious, and there's a chain that comes with it. I can match it with like black dresses and bring it on dates maybe.
Yeah, this is very nice for like more dressed up styles.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the bag that I got. It has stitching at the front, buckle handle at the top with a little baggage tag. It's like an oval round bag. It's pretty spacious. I can fit quite a lot of stuff there. And the chain is in here. So I can convert this into a sling bag as well.
You can put all your makeup.
Yeah, and I really like that the top part is actually leather instead of a chain handle, because then there won't be abrasion to your shoulders.
Yeah, and
Like,
your hair
keep-
won't get stuck.
Yeah, and it won't keep rubbing onto your shoulders and hurt it. So yeah. Okay, so we're done with our Taobao haul and we'll be trying some of our favorite picks. To the end of our Taobao haul.
Let us know in the comment sections down below what you'd like us to try in our next video.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.
And always remember to be
BEA Beautiful. Bye!